be aware and then ensure there is no more wastages. Thank you for bringing the awareness once again. And now the final speaker of today is Toastmaster Raju Rao. Toastmaster Raju Rao, here is a quick introduction about Toastmaster Raju Rao. He is a project management consultant, author and a speaker. His interests are cycling and listening to music. He was one of the founding members of Emerging Leaders Toastmasters Club. He has been the president and vice president education of Emerging Leaders Toastmasters Club. Before I call Toastmaster Raju Rao, I request the speech evaluator, Toastmaster Team Tamil Selvi, to read out the objectives of his speech.
Good evening, Toastmasters. The purpose of the project is for the member to demonstrate his skill as a leader and a public speaker. The purpose of this first speech is for the member to introduce his plan and vision. Timer, please note the duration is 5 to 7 minutes. All the best, Toastmaster Raju Rao.
Thank you, Toastmaster Team Tamil Selvi. Toastmaster Raju Rao is delivering a project by name BPM project, VP Education, Roles and Responsibilities. The title of the speech is VP Education, Roles and Responsibilities. Over to you, Toastmaster Raju Rao.
Yeah. Good afternoon. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much. So, as introduced by the Toastmaster of the day, the topic is VP Education, as you see on the slide now, roles and responsibilities. So let me ask you all, how many of you are being a VP Education or in the past, or how many of you are actually currently VP Education? I can see at least 2. Anybody else? Anybody else? Antonio was also VP Education, I remember. Lakshmi Priya, okay. Kritika, 4. How many? Anybody else? Anybody would like to become VP Education as part of XCOM?
Yeah, JK, sir.
Huh?
JK.
JK, yes, JK is the next in the line that I know, and I'm sure Nalini also would become there.
Yeah, Nalini also.
So that's her next role, I think, next after JK. Yeah, so my topic is very simple. That is VP Education. Roles and responsibilities. What should be the roles and responsibility of VP Education? And let me talk about why we are talking about this. What are the roles and responsibilities of VP Education? You can see the slide, right?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. I made a mistake. I'm sharing. Share screen and then move on. Yeah. Now you can see, right?
Yes, sir.
Roles and responsibilities. VP Education. You got to handle meetings, prepare speeches, mentoring, role players, education speakers, arrange for them, look after TMOD's work, Twible topic master, the tag role players, base camp. Have I left out anything? All the experts are there today. Have I left out anything? Contests also. The whole lot, practically everything under XCOM VP Education has to do. Come on. What about the other roles? You know. So typically you can understand that a lot of things are there. And what motivated me to take this topic? This is my motivation. Does this guy look like me? Or maybe so one of you can relate to his face. Okay, jokes apart, the problem is that the whole lot of things that VP education is supposed to do. Those of you who are new to Toastmasters or not yet been in XCOM can get a taste of it when they take on some of the XCOM roles, and then their colleagues will tell them what all is involved. But my question was, why should it be all so difficult? Can't we make it better? Why are everybody very scared of doing this role? Just like how JK was, just now I asked him, do you want to be VP education? I could see his reaction. So that's what I said, let me take this as my project. And this is what I did. I looked at the problem. I started looking at what is the problem. And I decided to find out what is the problem. And for that, to take help, I took on help from two people, very senior Toastmasters, whom I said will form some kind of guidance committee. Actually, a guidance committee is not required for a DTM project. But then I said, I need some help. And this is DTM Aarti Mangalam, who is from Meraki, and Toastmaster Gayatri Rajgopalan, who is from Ford. These are the people who are helping me out formulate the problem. So when we discussed with them, I said, okay, before we formulate the problem, let's find out what these people are interested. So I did a survey. As you see down, these are the steps that I followed to do a survey. I did a survey. I think some of you may have answered that survey also. And in that survey, I asked a lot of questions. What are the challenges? Where do you spend your time? And then what kind of roles you're doing? And which are the things which you are not able to do, and all the kind of things. And surprisingly, just to tell you some interesting fact that came out is, a few of them said they don't have any problem. Now, Vijay Kumar is smiling because I know that he also said once upon a time, what's the problem? One month we have problem, next month we no problem. You know, when he was VP education, I never felt it like that, but he felt like that. Okay. So there are people who find that it is a cakewalk. Okay. Yeah. So that's a survey which I'm mentioning, which is already done. And the plan is to, now next step is to, of course, find solutions. We have some solutions in mind. But I said we'll have to find out from people who are actually in the field. So we're going to do a lot of interviews as well. The survey was well answered. Nearly about 44 people answered the survey. All of them were vice president education at some point of time. The interviews we're going to have for 4 or 5 clubs, and after the interviews are there, we will know, okay, what are the ways by which we can solve this problem. One particular thing I mentioned here, we have non-availability of time. So one way is to solve the problem is to delegate to more people, and therefore solve the problem. So the whole step involves survey, interview, analysis, and then finally make a report. All this we are going to do as part of the entire District 120, which is what I've shown you the photograph of all the people there. District 120, we're going to try to collect information from all of them and then give this project. So this is exactly the project that I have in mind. So pretty simple project actually, but I think it'll take some time, maybe take a couple of months it'll take. By the time we are able to interview people and then analyze the information and put it in a coherent form and then present it to the various clubs as well as the district level, so that this information can be used for improving our work as VP education and make our job simpler. This is what I am trying to drive at. There should be nobody who says that I am not interested in being VP education. Okay, people should be hankering to become VP education. They should say, no, I don't want to be sergeant at arms. I want to be VP education. So that's the goal I'm looking for. Okay. And hopefully we will achieve that. So just to give some thing about the whole thing, in terms of what we can do is, I like to ask some of you who already have been exposed to this role, and also those who have not exposed to it, who are new to it, because I'm sure they will have some perspective of what this role involves. Tell me one point, which is a challenge as a role for VP education. Just one of them. You can even write it in the chat box if you want.
I go first, sir. I go first. One of the frequent challenges I faced is unexpected sudden dropouts of role players or speakers at the last moment.
Okay.
So that was the
that is one of the things which have been mentioned.
One of the
This survey
challenges.
also. Yeah.
However, we plan well. However, they confirm. What so many times they confirm. Still, you can expect last minute dropouts of speakers or role players.
Yeah. Anything from the Toastmaster Lakshmi Priya?
Asking people to give speech itself is the biggest challenge, sir.
Give a speech, okay. So that means we need to prepare them to how to give a speech, and get the fear of giving a speech also has to be addressed. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, very good. Any other thing? Something from Kritika?
I was a VP of Then Sick Club, so I found role players, to fetch role players was very difficult. And the mentor-mentee mapping, because the members were very low. It was a sick club then. So these were two challenges that I faced as a VP.
Okay. So these are some of the challenges. What about the good points? What did you like about the role? Anybody else can talk about that? What do you think is good about?
I'll go first here also, sir. I think it kept me very busy day by day. The only meeting organization was running in my mind. That is one good thing because it kept me so busy, so occupied. And I think the time spent in that was very constructive and useful.
Yeah, very, very good, very important point, of course, and probably you can do nothing else. Yeah, and any other comment on what you liked about it?
I learned the art of persuasion, because I had a very few members. I had to persuade them to take roles every time. And being a corporate club, they would not have time, or it would be a challenge to make them meet the timing of the meeting. So art of persuasion and how to talk to people. This is something which I majorly learned.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for the time you gave me to explain the project. We hope to finish it in a couple of months, and I'll come back to all of you telling you what did I find, and hopefully I'll be able to solve the problem. Over to Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you, Toastmaster Raju. I really look forward to your project and the results. Very interesting project indeed, and I'm sure the objectives of everybody loving to contest for VP education role. I'm waiting for the day, sir. Thank you. So, okay. Now we are actually running a bit late, so we are not going to have break as mentioned in the agenda. I don't think we need a break, right? We are all very excited about after the speeches, right? Yeah, thank you.